Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the EBI Seminar Series on the bioeconomy. Today, we're going to be having a discussion with Yasuo Yoshikuni, who's a scientist and the head of the DNA Synthesis Science Program at the U.S. Department of Energy's Joint Genome Institute. Before joining the institute, he was a co-founder of the startup Bioarchitecture Lab, which focused on biorefining macroalgae, which essentially means turning renewable resources into marketable products. In this conversation, he's going to be talking with us about the process of biorefining as well as bioethanol, which is fuel derived from agricultural feedstocks such as macroalgae. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Hi, Yasuo. How are you doing today?
Very good.
Good. Well, okay, we're happy to have you here. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about your company and biorefinement. So to start us off, can you tell us why you started a company focusing on converting seaweed, specifically seaweed, into bioethanol among all other options?
Yeah. Since I was in high school, I really like the technology development, and it's been my dream to start up a company with the technology that I contribute to develop. After I went to college, I learned the potential of biotechnology, bioengineering, and I really liked it. After I got my PhD, I found seaweed has a huge potential. It can be cheaply sourced, abundantly sourced, and we can easily convert them into fuels and chemicals. So, in order to tackle this world sustainability issues, we started up a company.
What do you think are the main challenges for biorefining seaweed for energy production?
Uh, so there are many challenges, but the most important thing is probably a cost. In order to bring the cost down, we have to be able to source the seaweed resources much cheaper than what we can produce, the price point that we can produce today. So in order to do that, we have to do a series of innovations, including strain development of the seaweed, increasing production, decreasing the production cost.
Going back a little bit into like the origins of your company, how did you originally get funding for the company?
So after we incepted this idea, we talked to a number of different venture capitals, and then one of them really liked our story, and we got the small money to start with. Then we approached to a variety of venture capitalists, national grant, and large companies. And then luckily, many of them were interested in helping us to develop this technology. Um,
What role do you see bioethanol playing, or bioethanol from seaweed playing in the global energy transition?
yeah, I think ethanol is still very important molecules. Today in the gasoline, it contains about 10% of ethanol. Ethanol nowadays can be converted into uh, sustainable aviation fuels and to support the air travels and transportation. And ethylene can be also converted into the plastic. The ethanol can be converted into the plastic, such as PET bottles um, and polyethylene.
Okay, perfect. So it's been about 10 years since you developed your bioethanol platform. What are the new technologies out there? And what do you think are the technologies more suitable for scaling up seaweed as a feedstock for bioenergy?
Uh, yeah, in past 10 years, I see dramatic improvement of this field, especially back in 10, 15 years ago. We didn't see aqua farmer growing a seaweed across the country. But now I see many farmers growing seaweed in California as well as the East Coast. Um, Also, we see a significant improvement in synthetic biology technology, which accelerates the the cycle time for development of microbes to convert seaweed into fuels and chemicals.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you for this super informative conversation. That does it for all of our questions, but we thank you for joining us and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors.
Yeah, thank you very much, Logan.
Thank you for checking out the EBI seminar series on the bioeconomy and the seaweed supply chain. If you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on the macroalgae bioeconomy. Be sure to follow along for future installments or check out our previous series and explore our social media, which are all linked in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.